shit on our train. That's happening.
Why would you hit me on the train? No, I can't calm down. This is some bullshit. Like, what kind of friend are you? Like, you hit in my house consoling me about what some other chick did with my husband, and you want to tell me that you're... No, I can't calm down.
I'm serious.
You're not serious. You just fucking told me you're the second woman that my husband...
I'm serious.
Get out of my face, Kristen. Get out of my face, Kristen.
I'm serious.
Get out of my face, Kristen. Seriously. I'm not dealing with this right now. I'm really not dealing with this right now. Seriously. No.
Listen
No.
to me.
No. No.
I
can't. Like, get out of my face. How dare you tell me this type of shit on the fucking train? Like, who does that? What type of friend are you? No, I can't calm down. Why would I? Would you? You need to have a solution.
serious.
Yeah, I'm serious. I'm serious. I don't know.
Listen.
No.
Are you gonna stand there and just not listen to me?
Don't you leave her alone?
Can you stop? I don't even know you, sir. I'm serious.
Leave
Yo,
that alone. You should not have brought her on a train with some shit like that.
Are you seriously gonna go all the way over there and talk? I'm serious with you right now. Like you
Why would you
thought
think
that
I'll be whooping your ass right now on this train? How dare you do some shit like that on the train with her? Now leave her alone.
Can you come over here, Yvette?